Hello guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 6 of MSc Statistics from Delhi University. So before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the book related to the MSc Statistics. And if you need these books, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We have prepared the book which is name is MSc Statistics Previous Year Solved Questions for Delhi University, and this consists of 2014 to 2022 questions. Now if you need this book, so you can contact us and you can message or call. Now question number 6 is in LSD with 5 treatments and 1 missing clone, the error degrees of freedom is 15, 11, 12 or 16. This is just simple answer. You have to find just the degree of freedom, and for LSD the 5 treatments and 1 missing plot is here. For in a Latin square design with n treatment 1, so you can use this error degree of freedom which is 9 minus 1 square, and given that there are the 5 treatments, because in the questions that there are 5 treatments given, and the error degree of freedom is 5 minus 1 square equal to 16. And however, since there is one missing plot, we subtract 1 from the result. So because this is the error degree of freedom which is in 16, because one missing plot is here, so 16 minus 1 equal to 15. So our answer will be the 15, the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt related to this query, so you can contact us. If you any help related to assignments and homework, so you can contact us on our number. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.